Hello there. So you want to know how you can track price history on Kayak? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First of all, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and search for kayak.com. Now, one thing I'm going to make very clear is you can't actually go in the past and check your prices or track your prices. However, you can go into the future, check prices, or you could also put an alert in order for you to go ahead and get reminders whenever prices are dropping. So for example, I'm going to put my departure location, my destination location, one-way flight, date as well, and simply go ahead and click on search. Now what I can do is simply go ahead and look for future up till like Thursday, because I've done something like ±3 days whenever searching for the date. So for example, let me show it to you one more time. So as you can see, when you go on the date, what you can do is you can go into the future and then check, for example, August 2026 prices from today, and as you can see, it's gonna look pretty good right over here. However, if I just go ahead and go back, and for example, I want to get it on March, and simply go ahead and click on search, as you can see, we can check the prices here as well, which are different. So all you need to do now is just click on track prices, and whenever the prices drop, they're gonna simply go ahead and send you a mail. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.